Good morning! Mag-breakfast tayo ng ating pandesal. This is a dairy cream. Okay, like this, like that. May pandesal tayo dito. From Malawin. Oh, ang sarap kaya nito. Maliliit na pandesal pero mainit-init pa. Let's eat. Tea. With tea.